Good morning, students. Here I am present with again Coulomb's law, but with a different style. I will be discussing Coulomb's law, but in vectorial form. Okay. So this is very very important. Sometimes in NCERT, CBSE or state would ask state Coulomb's law or derive Coulomb's law in vectorial form. So it's very very important. See, सबसे पहले जो normal question होता है, ऐसा question है, we have two charges. Okay. Suppose this is Q1 and this is Q2. And what Coulomb has stated, there is a force between them. What is the location of the force? The location of the force is the line joining the two charges. So the Coulomb's force or electrostatic force are either along this or this. So the location of the electrostatic force is along the line connecting both the charges. Okay. So we have a formula Q is equal to I, that is ampere current, into time. So dimension of charge is what? It will be ampere into time. Okay, so this is the dimension of, or ampere into second, you can say ampere into second or ampere into time. This is the dimension of charge, that is Q. Okay, now let me quickly move. See, that you have to understand very carefully. Two charges Q1 and Q2 separated by a distance. Here R21 and R12, they are the position vector. See, they are vector, position vector. You must have studied position vector in 10+1. Okay, this is position vector. So what is R21? R21 means R towards 2 from 1. What is R12? R towards 1 from 2. That means they are vector. Okay, they are vector. You see, electrostatic force is a force, and force is a vector quantity. So we must know, we must have an idea what is the direction of force. So Coulomb's law in vectorial form is to express the Coulomb's law in terms of a vector, right? Okay. Suppose Q1 and Q2 are both positive quantity. Okay. What is F12? See, there are two digits, 1 and 2. Here is F21, two digits, 2 and 1. F12 means force on first digit by second digit. That means F12 is force on 1 by 2. Similarly, F21, force on first digit by second digit. F21 means force on 2 by 1. See, Q1 and Q2 are charges. So what will be the force on Q2 by Q1? That is F21. Force on 2 by 1. What is the force on Q1 by Q2? Force on 1 by 2. So this is F12. Since both are positive, this force experienced by 2 by 1 is repelled along this direction because both are positive. Similarly, Q1 is repelled by Q2. Now you see, we have two forces, force 2-1 and force 1-2. Okay, but what electrostatic forces have revealed? According to Coulomb's law, force 1-2 or force 2-1, they do not have numerically any difference. Numerically they are same, but force is a vector quantity. Here see, this is the direction of force along left to right. Here see, this is the direction of force from right to left. Direction are opposite in nature. So magnitude is same, but if we express in terms of a vector, force vector 1-2 is not equal to force vector 2-1. They would have been equal if the direction of both the forces have been equal. Since directions are opposite, both the force vector cannot be equal. Okay. So you can write Coulomb law over here. Coulomb's law, we can express force F21. That means force on 2 experienced by 1. This is, we can say, suppose this is in the free space. So what we can write, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, okay, into Q1 and Q2 by R square. Just focus it. This quantity only reveals the magnitude of the force F21. It is only the magnitude. Okay. See F12. This is also the same. 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square, because R is the distance, suppose, between Q1 and Q2. So here you can say there is no difference, but there is a difference. The magnitude is same, but we are expressing force as a vector quantity. Now we have to apply the concept of position vector. So F21 is a vector. This is into R21. See, this is the position vector. What is R21? R towards first digit from second digit. That means position vector towards 2 from 1. This is R21. See, R towards 2 from 1. And this will be your R12. R towards 1 from 2. Both, this is R21 also, this is R12 also. Magnitude wise, it is same. But as a vector, this is not the same. Why it is not the same? Because both the directions are opposite in nature. You can see. Fine. So F12, F21 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 R square into R21 position vector cap. Here into R12 cap. So magnitude is same, but the direction is opposite because position vector direction is opposite. So we can say F21 vector is negative of F12 vector. This negative sign, this equal sign comes why? Because the magnitude is the same, and this negative sign arises due to the fact that position vector R21 and position vector R12 just equal and opposite in nature. So both the expression 1 and 2 can be expressed as Coulomb's law in vectorial form. So you must be having an idea of magnitude and direction. Don't forget, force is a vector quantity. Right? Force is a vector quantity. I hope this small part of the my video is beneficial for you. If you really like it, share, subscribe, and like it. Thank you so much. I am very soon coming up with next part of the dielectric constant and permittivity. I'll be discussing in next my video. Thank you so much.